Let's make the very viral Trader Joe's lobster pasta. I was super excited for this one. Here's the ingredients we're going to need. Let's start with some olive oil, some minced garlic, and some chopped onion. Cook those until they're getting soft, and then add in a pint of cherry tomatoes halved. Cook those until they're starting to get soft. Salt and pepper them, and then take a thawed bag of the Trader Joe's langostino tails and a container of their lobster bisque soup. Add it in. Let's get that nice and heated, and then let's measure with our heart some Parmesan cheese grated and some lemon zest and lemon juice, just half of a lemon on the juice. That's optional. Add in your cooked pasta from your pasta water. We want some of that pasta water to help thicken up our sauce. Add in some fresh grated parsley. Get that all mixed together. I did not use the whole pound of my pasta. I wanted it nice and saucy. This was absolutely delicious.